Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today I will talk about how you can enhance the timing of your booting operating system. Why we are going to do this? Because suppose you are running multiple OS, or you just installed multiple OS on your single laptop and single disk drive. In that situation, what we need to do, we need to just increase the boot time, so we can get a good amount of time to select whatever operating system we want to use. So this is how we need to do that. And let me show you how you can just increase the boot time. So we need to type run in start menu and then ms config. Here we need to just go to boot section and see we have a timeout section. So whenever we are going to boot our operating system, it will take 30 seconds to cross our BIOS and boot time. So we can extend to 1 minute also, but 30 seconds is really enough. But we can extend even 40 seconds, so you will get enough time to select whatever boot operating system you want to boot. Perfect. And this is how you can just do it. And if you want to modify anything on boot advanced options, so you can also do it. It means you can utilize n number of processors as well to enhance your system booting process, just like I'm going to do with the 2 and memory as well, so it will boot more faster than right now. So this is how you can enhance your booting process and mention whatever time you want to select for boot. And this is the good setting that you can utilize for your booting process. And if you want to enable safe boot, it means your operating system will start in safe mode, so you can do some of modification and troubleshooting if your OS is having some problem. So this is the good setting and you can try to use it. Thank you so much.